So I've just been on holiday and I thought I'd just come back and check how everything is doing. So we've got a few strawberries, which is great. The blackberries are not doing too badly by the looks of it. They've not been too bad for a week. And oh gosh, what's happened in here? Oh my God, I've been overrun by vegetables in a week. I think it's rained and rained and rained and rained. Oh gosh, my peas look a bit worse for wear. They're like, what's going on? Strawberries are not too happy. These look all right, the little green beans. Now then, I've got courgettes coming up, nice flowers there. They're already enormous. Gosh, what's been going on? The other courgette, the climbing courgette, is doing quite well, look. So that's okay. Now, still haven't done anything with my herb, and I think it's now time to do, because I think I've just got a complete jungle here. I don't need that many herbs. Right, here's the tomatoes. They've started to grow up really high, nicely. You can see that they've bunched out quite well. They're already, I don't know, about 3 foot, I suppose, 3 footish. Got some nice flowers on there, so I'll need to do some trimming back so that we can actually get some tomatoes. The cauliflowers, they're all thinking, hey, we're all in here together, a bit bunched. Broccoli is enormous. Look at this. It's oh gosh, I'm going to have a lot of broccoli to eat by the looks of it if it survives everywhere. So they're huge. And then we've got our other. Oh, look! I've got some big marrows. Look. Oh wow, fabulous. So I'll have to have a look at those. Over into the other bed. Carrots coming up nicely. They're doing fine. Oh, looks like I've planted a weed there instead of a carrot. But anyway. Okay, I've got some lettuce. Looks like it's getting nibbled at, so I'll have to have a look at that as well. So that looks quite ready to pick. And then I've got the other tall lettuces over there. More courgettes over here. Fun-dabby-dozy, and the later tomatoes that I planted a little while ago. And the carrots, look, the carrots are doing fine. Do you remember the carrots video I did showing you that we were putting them in? So they're doing quite well as well. So that's not too bad, not too bad. You can see that I now need quite a lot of compost to go in here so that I can start getting some more bits in. And I don't know what that is actually. That's a nice flower, but I stuck it in thinking it was a carrot. It shows you don't know what they look like when they're just little buds and ready for planting. So anyway, that's my crop, which I think is fabulous, but it's a little bit too much, so I need to start sorting that out now that I am back. So it just goes to show that a week things can really take over. So yeah, looks like I'm going to have a busy few days sorting out everything. So yeah, welcome back home, Susan. You've got some veggies to do and some lettuce to eat. Fun-dabby-dozy.